Hi aviation friends! Welcome at Montreal International Airport, where we immediately start off with some footage of an old friend. A couple days earlier, I had an amazing day of flying with my friends on this Air Inuit Boeing 737-200. Now I'm waving it goodbye, as I'm about to fly back home to the Netherlands. I'll do that on this 10-year-old Boeing 787-8 Dreamliner from Air Canada. C-GHPU still wears the old toothpaste livery and is powered by two General Electric engines. When I flew to Canada a week earlier, I had a new liveried Air Canada Dreamliner, so it's fun to have an old liveried one on the way back. The sun is long gone, and the moon is up as I board my ride home. Hey, seen you before? Oh, no. Oh, you seem familiar, but no. I'm sitting on the economy class seat, 37K.
Les couloirs et les sorties de secours doivent être complètement dégagés. Les appareils électroniques portatifs de grand format comme les ordinateurs portatifs doivent être branchés de façon sécuritaire. Les appareils électroniques portatifs cellulaires devront être maintenant réglés en mode avion et jusqu'à ce que la route soit rétablie. To our Airline members sponsored by Bell, to get started,
Air Canada Flight 900 pushes back nicely on time.
Internet access is also available for purchase with your credit card or Airline points. The Wi-Fi purchase is required to track your flight status at aircanada.com or through a mobile app. These contact those applications are not permitted. Votre sécurité est toujours notre priorité à bord d'Air Canada. Veuillez maintenant prendre le temps de regarder notre vidéo sur les mesures de sécurité d'urgence propres à cet appareil Boeing 787. Les écouteurs branchés à un appareil électronique portatif devront maintenant être retirés. Your safety is always a top priority on board Air Canada. Please take a moment to watch your safety video procedure for this aircraft, Boeing 787. At this time, headsets connected to affordable electronic devices must be removed. Également, si vous portez un couvre-visage et qu'un masque oxygène requis en cours du vol, veuillez vous assurer de le retirer avant d'ajuster votre masque à oxygène sur votre nez et votre bouche. Also, we are wearing a face mask on the release button.
I love a good and creative flight safety video. Air Canada definitely did a good job on that.
Seatbelts and no smoking signs are located throughout the aircraft. Please comply with them at all times.
Les consignes de ceinture et d'interdiction de fumer se trouvent à différents endroits dans l'avion. Veuillez les respecter en tout temps.
It is prohibited to smoke, to use electronic cigarettes, or to consume your own alcohol on board.
Il est interdit de fumer, d'utiliser des cigarettes électroniques ou de consommer son propre alcool à bord.
Your portable electronic devices must be set to airplane mode until an announcement is made upon arrival.
Les appareils électroniques portatifs doivent être réglés en mode avion jusqu'à l'annonce à ce sujet à l'arrivée.
If your electronic device falls in your seat, do not move your seat or try to retrieve it yourself, as it poses a fire hazard. Notify your cabin crew immediately to ensure the safe retrieval of the device.
Si votre appareil électronique glisse dans votre siège, ne bougez pas votre siège et n'essayez pas de le récupérer au risque d'un incendie. Avertissez immédiatement le personnel de cabine afin qu'il le récupère en toute sécurité.
Should an emergency happen, place your feet flat on the floor and top of head against the seat in front of you. Or rest your head and chest into your lap. Grasp your ankles or wrap your arms under your legs.
En cas d'urgence, posez vos pieds à plat au sol et appuyez le dessus de votre tête contre le siège devant vous. Ou bien, penchez-vous et appuyez votre tête. Explique les nombreuses mesures de sécurité propres à cet avion. Veuillez en prendre connaissance avant le décollage.
If there is a need to evacuate the aircraft, leave your baggage behind and follow the seat-mounted lighting to the nearest overhead bin or under the seat in front of you.
Veuillez ranger vos bagages dans le coffre supérieur ou sous le siège devant vous.
In preparation for takeoff, make sure you're comfortably seated, with your seat back upright and tray table stowed.
En prévision du décollage, prenez soin de vous asseoir confortablement, de redresser le dossier de votre siège et de ranger la tablette.
You must wear your seatbelt when the seatbelt sign has been turned on. If there is an emergency landing on water, reach for the pouch under the seat or beside your leg rest. Remove the elastic band if required.
En cas d'amérissage d'urgence, prenez la pochette de gilet de sauvetage sous le siège ou près du repose-jambes. Retirez la bande élastique au besoin.
Pull out the life vest from the pouch. Slip it on, fasten the waist clip, and tighten the belt. Pulling the tab will inflate the life vest. You can also inflate it by blowing into the tube. The life vest should only be inflated as you leave the aircraft.
Sortez le gilet de la pochette et enfilez-le. Attachez la boucle de taille et ajustez la ceinture. Pour le gonfler, tirez la languette ou encore soufflez dans le tube. Ne gonflez votre gilet qu'au moment de quitter l'avion.
If you need any assistance or have any concerns, please let one of us know.
Si vous avez une inquiétude ou besoin d'aide, adressez-vous à l'un de nous.
Thank you for choosing to fly with Air Canada.
Merci d'avoir choisi Air Canada.
The world of investments is growing, offering more alternatives than ever. Choose an alternative.
This is my third flight out of Montreal, and just like the other flights, the takeoff runway is too far right. Sadly, there's not much to see with all that darkness. And I'm pretty sure the Boeing 787's tinted windows also don't help with that. Dinner is served. This pasta was pretty good. I bought the in-flight Wi-Fi, so I kept an eye on Flightradar to see where we were. Somewhere in this maze of flights heading to Europe. It's a busy North Atlantic crossing. I slept a couple of hours during the flight. When I woke up, the first bit of morning light was becoming visible. Pass over Ireland, and soon we are on the downwind to Amsterdam Schiphol Airport. The weather is grim here. I can barely see anything out of the window as we make our way to runway 18 right, the Polderbaan. That was a nice landing on the very wet runway. This weather is horrible. I already wish I was still back in Canada. But sadly, all good things come to an end at some point. I had an incredible time in Canada. A trip which only lasted 1 week. But to be honest, it feels like I have been out there for much longer.
Merci à tous d'avoir voyagé avec Air Canada en mode réseau. Star Alliance, ce fut un plaisir de vous avoir à bord. Espérons surtout vous aimer à nouveau bientôt. Merci, bonne journée à tous. And folks, welcome to Amsterdam Schiphol International Airport. Local time is approximately 9:46 a.m. We have arrived about 25 minutes early. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and your cabin packages safely stowed under the cabin switches on the fasten seatbelt signs. It is still not permitted to smoke if cellular or mobile devices may not be used if you wish. If you request special assistance for deplaning, please stay seated, and of course we'll help you as soon as the hours are free. Finally, those of you with onboard connections to another flight out of Amsterdam today, please consult the screen inside the terminal. Feel free to ask.
I hope you enjoyed all the footage of this trip. It's been really amazing. Those 737-200 flights especially, they were nothing short but incredible. I surely need to return to Canada one day. A big thank you to everyone who made this little trip unforgettable. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, have a great day.
Cabin crew prepare for arrival and cross check.